sun's out, sandwiches out. Whether you're fueling in between your child's sporting events or picnicking on the patio, 'tis the season for sandwiches. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to upgrade your summer sandwich game without compromising your health goals with a grilled Deli Panini. First, preheat a grill to medium heat. While that's heating up, brush 2 slices of Hy-Vee Bakery Grains of the Earth bread with 2 tablespoons of Gustare Vita olive oil. Whole grain bread contains more fiber than refined bread. Daily fiber recommendations are 38 grams per day for men and 25 grams for women. Combine 1/3 cup of Primal Kitchen mayo and avocado oil with 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. And spread this on the bread slices as well. Next, place fresh mozzarella and top with Deluso roast beef, roasted red pepper strips, thinly sliced red onion, and fresh baby spinach leaves. Aim for 3 veggies on your sandwich or eaten alongside for the ultimate vitamin, mineral, and fiber boost, along with extra flavor and crunch. Place the sandwich on the grill pan for 6 to 8 minutes, turning once until bread is golden and the cheese melts. Pressing down with a spatula will give you solid grill lines. When turning, carefully use a large spatula. Cut into individual portions to serve. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. Your path to a healthier you starts at Hy-Vee. Let our team of registered dietitians help provide nutritional guidance and support tailored to your lifestyle.